Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm unboxing the Samsung S10e. It's kind of the budget version of the S10. It only has one camera in the front side, I believe. But anyways, we're gonna unbox this. I'm not sure of all the specs of this phone, but I do know it has 128 gigs of storage, and I'm pretty sure it's 6 gigs of RAM. Not really sure about the processor or anything else. Ooh, my bad. Right, there you go. There's the bottom. Here's the back. The sticker's kind of covering up the information. Let me see if I can remove that. Okay. Hopefully that makes it a little bit more readable, but wasn't able to remove it very well. Anyways, let's take off the top cover. So, okay. There is, it seems to be some things are in here as well. Just gonna pull them out like that. Nothing else. Let's put that away. Alright, so before we get to the phone, let's open this up. Alright, seems to be a little tab right there. Okay, just pull it out like that. There's also a lot of other papers. Some quick start guides, a couple different languages, a warranty card. Nothing too important. Oh, seems to be a case. Okay, comes with a little case right there. Feels very cheap, but does come with a case. That's very nice. I don't think I've ever got a Samsung phone with a free case inside. Or it's not really free, but you know. Okay, that's pretty nice though. Alright, we'll put that off to the side. Now, let's take out the phone. I forget which color I got this in. Oh, wow. Alright, look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. Alright, we're just gonna put that away for now. We'll get back to it. Anyways, it has this charging brick right here. It comes with a 128 gig micro SD card. Pretty interesting. Let's see what else. Ooh, it also has a USB to a USB Type-C adapter. It's a little box. Pretty sure it's just the cables. Let's see. Not sure how to pull it open. Oh, we just lift up the tab, I believe. Okay, there we go. Yep. So, okay, so that's just a little cable. Let's see. It's a micro USB Type-C. Yep. Whoa. These headphones look interesting though. They kind of look wireless in here. Wow. But no, they seem to be wired. Let's pull them out. And they're white too. I remember the previous AKG ones were a little dark gray or almost black. I'm just gonna pull on it. How is this stuck inside? It's pretty weird. Seems to be okay. Whatever. I'll get that out a little bit later. For now, let's jump right into the phone. All right. This little plastic piece covering up the whole display. Also at the back, we'll leave that on for now. Let's see if the case fits nicely. It does. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Let's power it up. Okay. I'm assuming it's, this one right here. Just gonna press it once. Nothing. Guess we have to hold it. There we go. Powered by, what is that? Couldn't catch that. Display absolutely looks amazing. It's incredible. But the SSD, that's a nice addition. An extra 128 gigs. All right. Oh, and this is, I forgot to mention, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be in the title. It's the international version. Anyways, I'll get this all set up and everything, and I'll see you guys back in a little bit. Alright guys, I've put in all my information and everything. Just gonna show it out right now. So I installed a fingerprint scanner, or not installed it, but I set it up with my fingerprint, and I also set it up with my face. So first I'll show you it unlocking with my face. There you go. All you have to do now is just slide up, and there we go. That's it. And for the fingerprint, we just put it like that, and it's done. And the fingerprint sensor is actually at the power button, so it's pretty convenient. You know, it's very easy to just place your finger right there, especially, you know, I don't have the biggest hands, and you know, this phone, it is quite long, but you know, it's pretty easy for me to reach there, so it's very good positioning in my opinion. Also, the video quality on this is absolutely amazing. Cancel. I don't know. Okay, let me get something. Here, I'll just place that. It'd be quite hard to tell, but the video quality is absolutely amazing. And look at that. Whew. I'm not sure exactly what that's called. It's like ultra wide photo or something, or ultra wide lens. It works very nice. It's very nice, but yeah, it's really amazing. Anyways, other than that, I actually unraveled the earplugs, or I mean, yeah, so a headset that it comes with. It's pretty nice. I actually have the other ones that came with my S10e right here, so you can tell the color difference. Let me try focusing on this. So yeah, see, just a little color difference. They both look nice to me in my opinion, but you know, it's nice that they're switching up the colors or something, you know, something new. I like it. And it also comes with like those extra ear tips, so you can swap them out and everything else, so it's pretty useful. Yeah, so anyways, I definitely recommend this product, but I do not recommend upgrading to this product. If you have like a S8 or an S9, I don't think it's worth it. I did try out the speakers too. The speakers is definitely very, very amazing. It's one of the best parts of this phone, in my opinion, other than the free 120 gig SSD, not SSD, micro SD card. But yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, comment it down below. I will do my best to answer them. I apologize if I can't answer any questions, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.